staff, parents, special guests, and fellow Lions. Welcome to our first quarter awards assembly. My name is Oriana.
My name is My name is Mary J, and we will be your student MCs for today.
At this time, I would like to call upon our principal, Mr. Larkin, to say a few words.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how is everybody doing out there today? That's pretty good, but how's everybody doing today? Good, good. I want to say thank you, parents and family, for coming out today at our amazing awards assembly, especially during Spirit Week. We have a bunch of people who have amazing outfits. We have future nurses, future construction folks, future aliens, future retirees, right here. I got a long ways to go, don't worry. But we have a lot of people waiting for the future. But students, one thing I want to emphasize is how you get to the future is you come to school on time every day because... Very good. And we have had a lot better attendance this year, but we still need to improve. We need to make sure we're here every day that we can, unless we're really truly sick. Because every day you miss is a day of instruction that you don't get. So parents, please remember, bring your kid to school every day on time so that they can get that education. It might sound silly, but we did the math just a few days ago. If you miss just one day a month, just one day a month, over the course of your school career, you miss nearly an entire school year of education. Did you realize that? Just one day a month. It sounds so easy. It's only one day. That is why you need to make sure you're here every day. That stuff does add up over time. So we want to emphasize that. And in fact, we emphasize it all the time over here. Just like this month, those students who missed one day or less for the month of school, they're going to get an awesome water blaster fun time where they get to spray us, me and Miss Hyler, for coming to school on time. So we're going to make sure we have that happen. With that being said, I want to again thank you all and re-emphasize also to make sure you're teaching your kid a new word every single day. Other than that, let's get the show on the road.
Thank you, Mr. Larkin. Could you please hold your applause until the last student name has been called? Also, parents and guests, you will have the opportunity to come up and take pictures of your awards. Please wait until you are given the cue to come up. Thank you for your cooperation.
First, we would like to call upon the youngest Lion Pride, our preschoolers, to be recognized for their awards. Our Ira teacher, Mrs. Chu, and teacher, Mr. Hamasaki, will be reading the names for us today.
First up with General Learner Outcome Exemplar is Mark Kaniki, Mark Elias Janero, Student Growth Maxine Kailani Brown, Line of the Month Rhea Lula, Tyson Silva, Outstanding Achievement Alexis Staffarella. Let's give them a round of applause.
We will now be presenting the Quarter 1 Perfect Attendance Award. This award will be presented to the students who came to school every day on time for the first quarter.
Okay, starting off with kindergarten, we have Austin Davian Badwa, Danica Joy Banizal, Tyler Ace Mendez Gorin, Myrtle J. Ann Pagatwan, Kendra Celestine Souza, Juliana Villanueva, Stephen Artates, Megan Zoe Cadiz, Sharia Gil Davalos, Grade 1 Denver DJ Jose, Erich Jace Isabel Pascual, Alana Elise Pena, Nalena Olivia Lemadier, Chloe May Ramones, Aiton Taylor Albano, Dave Baguio Llamas, Stephen Joy Espejo, Chloe Ray Pagtulingan. Second grade, we have Arle Akawa, Prince Aiden Kalusam, Laikui Ikao Makali'i Cheng, Kyrie Dylan Corrales, Stephen Cullen Naira, S.K. Ruda, Michael Hollers, Jana Ignacio, Emerald Lacamento, Julissa Timothy, Alana Christian Bagay, Sebastian Kulak, and Kurt Anthony Garma. Let's give them a round of applause.
Just in case you didn't hear, is Zaiden Angel Artrates? Please wait until we call you guys up to get the good picture.
Ang galing absent. Pag kumikita sila, ako nag-lock.
Next, we will be presenting the GLO Award. The General Learner Outcome Award is given to students who demonstrate outstanding work in our GLO, which includes self-directed learner, community contributor, complex thinker, quality producer, effective communicator, and effective and ethical user of technology.
This quarter, the focus was on GLO 1, Self-Directed Learner, and GLO 6, Effective and Ethical User of Technology.
Alright, starting with kindergarten, we have Kendra Celestine Souza, Case Gavin Gil Barria, Amelia Rose Tavares Gonzalez, first grade Denver DJ Jose, Precious Lay Martin, Juna Rumbaoa, and second grade we have Nehemiah Yosta, Kefina Angawan, Nakua Abad, Leilani Kahana. Alright, with GLO number 4, quality producer in kindergarten, we have Kyler Ace Mendegorin, Marcus Rance Simon Baltazar, first grade Chloe May Ramones, Chase Paris, second grade Bernice Atara Belones, Kyrie Dylan Corrales, Emerald Lacamento, Zephaniah Grace Cardona. Let's give them a round of applause.
the Student Growth Award. This award is given to students who had shown growth academically and behaviorally this quarter.
Okay, from kindergarten we have Lennox Iselu. In FSC, Malia Menor. In kindergarten, Gianna Bree Amazon. Andre, I'm sorry. Another kindergartner, Andre Ezekiel Bilones. Gianna Bree Almazan, Jeffrey Zach Makatia, Aliana Elise Pena, Angela Macadanga, Rosen Kaniki, Haven Espejo, Remsen Menger, Sarias Benchi, Jacob Storr Jordan, Trevon Nathan, Keao Okalani Kea, J.D. Van William, Sebastian Kumla, and Just Hilal.
We will now present the Line of the Month awards for August and September. These students have shown kindness, compassion, empathy, or drive to help others.
Alright, starting with Line of the Month for August in kindergarten, we have Marianne Rain, Portugal, Malia Menor, Cassie Valdez. In first grade, we have Matella Mariano, Danica Kudal. Second grade, Mark Randy, Simon Baltazar, Katina Angawan, Jana Ignacio, Tenovine Kimichi. Line of the Month for September, we have Danica Joy Banizal, Case Gavin Gil Barria, Paul Jensen Estigoy, Khalil Kalani Sansi, and Honey Phillip. Sage Bagyo Yamas. In second grade, we have Kanzi Joseph, Daniel Roman Untalan, Telly Tuifao, Auntie Farah Laulu. Let's give them a round of applause.
Award. This award is given to students who showed exemplary work in academics.
Okay, from kindergarten, we have Noro Pagaduan and Juliana Billy Nueva. Also from kindergarten, Sharia Del Navalos and Megan Zoe Cadiz. From first grade, Eric Pascual and Carl Kendricks Mariano. From research, Eddie Phillip. From first grade, Radine Armin and Juliana Kalangpa. From second grade, we have Leon Kasu, Michelle Fujitani, Ava Isaacs Naotala, Alexander Clemente Quiropas, Chris James Labors, Sammy Marico, Alana Christian Bagay, Isaac Jackson Ramiro, Okay, let's turn for our outstanding students. Let's give them a round of applause.
Parents and guests, you may come up and take pictures of your awardees. Mr. Hamasaki for reading the names for us today.
We would now like to end our assembly with singing our school song, Kalihi Waina Aloha. Mrs. Chu and Mr. Somera will be leading us in singing our school song.
Today and keep up the great work. We are proud of each and every one of you. Remember, strive high with pride. That's the Lion way. Enjoy the rest of your day.